this is the violin. Okay, now in the demo class, I would really say you like the things that I'm going to teach you. I have a curriculum which I have made myself for the students, whoever are new students. Like, a lot of people comes to me like, I want to learn this instrument. So I have a curriculum which, this is the curriculum, and I teach the Western violin. I don't teach the Indian classical or that one, because a violin is not an Indian classical instrument. First of all, it is a Western instrument. It is made in Italy, and that's how it came to India, and we started playing that way. This is basically the ABCD of the music. Once you learn this part, once you learn what is this and how these things are, basically you won't be knowing now what these things are, right? These things, you're not aware of these things, right? If I'm not wrong. So I will be teaching this one. The first, there will be first two session, where first one will be of theory. Then the next session will be theory. In the theory, it will come the violin parts, how you are going to play it, how we are going to hold it, how it is holded,